Hey guys, sorry about that. I had my microphone on mute. This 10-minute candle is just closed. Look at the structure here. This has been a really messy, sloppy day. This is the first chance that I see anything even remotely looking like a setup for me. There will be other people that will be able to make money today, but in this mess, I think a lot of people are probably getting hurt. And it just has to do with how the candles are forming and the whippiness underlying what's been happening here. Anyway, won't get into that. Let's focus on what we're going to do. And what I'd like to see is a pullback here and a potential boost from there. But we might not get that. We'll see. Just watch this unfold for a bit. All right, this is an interesting situation. We're not getting that pullback on the wick. So, this is not a live order yet, by the way. I want to see how this pans out. Let's take a look at the 1 minute. 1 minute closing in on a double top here. Lots to think about here. Bear with me. Okay. That's an unusual move. Yeah, not taking long here. Not going long here. This thing could rocket higher at this point because it's very overextended, and there's it's overextended to the downside, but this particular latest move is overextended to the upside. So it's a very interesting situation to be in. And the reason I say that is because of the VWAP configuration, which is right here. And so this is almost bound to get back to VWAP right there. It's a very common move, but there's a lot of resistance happening here on the micro scale. And so I'm not going to take that. Instead, I'm going to watch it for a little bit here. Cancel long idea. Short. Going short now. Short now. Right there, I'm short. Oops. Very tricky trade. Looking for 15 points to the downside here. 15 points to the downside. No top wick yet. Patience. Patience. Tricky trade. Stop to above previous candle high. Very tricky. Wants to reject from the 20. Patiently allowing it to play out. Either be a small loss or a 1-hour gain. Stop to break even. Very high chance of being stopped out of break even unless we get that push down now. Waiting for it. Yeah, rejecting. All this rejection wicks are here. Those forces are still there. Let's see if we can get that little push down. We'll stay focused on this 1 minute chart for now. Watching, patiently, trusting, being willing to give it all back for that extra point, because in the long run, that's how the math works. Otherwise, the math doesn't work. Patience. And we're done. Nice trade, guys. Nice patience. I know you weren't in that with me necessarily, but just being able to sit here with me and walk through the mental game and the impulse control is an exercise that will benefit you greatly. And so I'm glad you joined me for this. And we'll see you a bit later, guys. Take care. Thanks again. We'll talk soon.